Guys, good morning. Today we are going to learn Apex error message. So what is Apex error message? Apex error message is predefined Apex class. This is provided by the Salesforce. The Apex class namespace as used in the Apex page. Apex page age. Apex page age. Where we can use the Apex error message, we can use the print the message on the VF page or throw validation error on the page. Okay, the syntax little bit we have to remember. The namespace we have used the Apex pages dot message type means this is the error type. We are going to use the generally the maximum 5 types of error we are handling. The error, if you are having in the any error in the page, should display the kind of error. Info, this is the info error, info message we want to display to the user screen. Confirm means we don't have any error, so this is the confirm message. Warning and fatal error. Okay, for example, this is the namespace Apex pages dot message, and my message, this is the variable, user variable. We can use anything, ABCD XYZ, anything you can. This is the user choice, and allocating the space to this variable to make available this variable to going to use for the Apex designing the Apex pages. Okay, now the Apex pages dot message and Apex pages dot severity and comma summary. Summary means, what do you mean by summary? Summary, the descriptions, the error information, the error message going to display to the users, the information of the error. Okay, so we have discussed the error, what kind of the severity we are going to use. Severity is the predefined Apex class. This is the predefined Apex class. Fatal error, Apex class message contain these values. The error info contain warning and fatal. Now the add messages, for adding the messages we have what we have designed in the queue to display in the VF page. Okay, for example, we are going to create the Apex pages which contains all the severity kind of error and display the error to the users page. Now come to the Apex developer console, create Apex class. Okay, now public, and we are going to use the by default constructor without parameters. Public constructor and pages dot message message, new. So we have to follow the first, this one. This is the syntax we have to little bit remember. Message, then new Apex pages, new pages dot message, then we are having pages dot severity. So we have to remember Apex pages dot severity dot error, which kind of error types I want to display to the users, and the summary, error summary. This is error message. Again, pages dot message, message 1, new pages dot message, then come to the pages dot severity dot info error message, comma, and the message want to message summary. This is info message. Now, so we have to use all types of message. Pages dot message, message 2, new Apex pages dot message, pages dot severity dot the fatal error, fatal or warning message, and the summary message to display. This is message, warning, Apex pages dot message, message 2, new pages dot message, pages dot severity dot fatal error, warning, and confirm. Severity dot confirm, comma, and message want to display confirm message. Now we have to add the message to display. Pages dot add message, and give the message name MSG. This is the first one, message 1, and message 1, message 2, and message 3, message 3, save it, message 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now design the viewer page. You can use the controller name, file, new visual force page, controller you can use, then come to the display. I will display Apex page messages, remove mounted file, Apex page messages. Like so, we can see the page message and corresponding error messages. This is the error message, the warning, and this is the info message. This is the success message, confirm message. Okay, so like that we can design and display the corresponding error message to the users.